Gusto niyang hawakan. That's a mud cake. There's the bird waiting for you. Guys, ang dami mong baon na Angel. Bagong recruit ni Madam Maricar. Birdie, 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 where are you? Yeah, I hold it. Why what the bird is saying? Do you know what the bird was saying? Bye, bird. Say bye-bye. Oh, ang dami. Ghostbuster. Oo, Des. Parang uulan. Makulimlim, oh. Katatapos lang ng ulan. Sarap ng tulog ni Jewel doon, no? Tulog si Jewel. Nakikinig lang si Jewel. Ang sarap ng tulog ni Jewel. Ayan. What you doing? Tulog si Jewel. Is Jewel sleeping, anak? What do you think? Jilana, do you want to show me how you bike? Don't bug Jewel, anak. You have to have her namis. You have to have namis. Yeah. Do you want to go get your bike? You know how to bike already. Come on. Oo nga, puntahan nga niya. You wanna show your bike? I wanna see. I have not seen it. Okay. Yeah, let's go see your bike. Marunong na siya mag-bike. Yeah. No, the moose is not here. Yeah. Here. Naku, Des, ang dami mong... Okay. Okay. You wanna bike it here or outside? Okay, just walk first. You can walk. Just go to the. Let's go in the outside. It's more space. Galing ah. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah, you're biking your own. Good job. Is that where you bike? Help you? Do you want your helmet? Whoa! Wow, that's amazing. Good job. Whoa. Okay, come here. Turn around. Whoa. Galing na. Oo. Galing na niya mag-bike. Oh, look farther. Don't look on the road. Look farther. Look at mommy. Look where you're going. There you go.